Hi, and welcome back to Dirtbike Magazine's 2018 125cc two-stroke video series. Today we're getting our first chance to ride the 2018 Yamaha YZ125. Now we know that the YZ125 hasn't seen significant updates since about 2005. About a couple years ago it received some cosmetic updates, but nothing major in the overall layout of the machine, and that's not a bad thing. The 2018 model did get the new blue rims, but other than that, it's identical to the 2017 model and features Dunlop tires, Kayaba suspension front and rear, Nissan braking components front and rear with an aluminum frame. Although the bike hasn't seen any substantial changes in almost a decade, it still is one of the best handling 125s in the class, and is one of the easiest bikes to ride from the entry level all the way up to the tops of the pro class. Although we do love this motorcycle and it does make you feel like a hero riding it, there is some advancements that Yamaha needs to make because the competition has been very aggressive in performance developments, making the Yamaha seem like it's getting slower. We can only hope that the only Japanese two-stroke manufacturer has some tricks up their sleeve. For the complete test on the 2018 Yamaha YZ125 and all the latest off-road industry news, check out dirtbikemagazine.com. For more 125 two-stroke action, check out these videos.